Today we're going to be installing a wired controller to a Winfree 2.0 unit. You will need two things. You'll need the MIM-AOOUN, which is the sub PCB, and then you will need the wired controller. Kind of to show you what's in the sub PCB box is a holder for the board itself, installation instructions, the harness for the sub PCB, and then the sub PCB itself. In the remote control box, we have our installation and user manual, some hanging accessories, and our remote control or wired wall stack. First, we're going to install the sub PCB. I'm going to put the holder for the board here, push it up like so. This here is the harness that the sub PCB will plug into that goes to the unit. Normally it's tucked in back up in here. You just kind of pull it out. We'll have to cut this zip tie. We're going to go ahead and install the sub PCB. So here we have the sub PCB and the harness. This harness will plug directly into your board here, like so. And this harness here will plug into the harness that's tucked into the unit here, like so. And then your board itself goes in here. Now that we got the sub PCB installed, you're going to run your F3, F4 harness. This is the plug, the red and the blue, over to our junction box, which is over here. These other harnesses at this moment are not going to be used. So we're going to go ahead and cut this clip off and extend our wire all the way to the junction box. Okay, now that we have our wires ran over here, we're ready to install our wired remote. We're going to go ahead and pop the back off here, and we have to mount our subplate. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now that we have our subplate mounted, we're ready to mount our wiring to our screw terminals. Normally, if you look up here, F3 is red, F4 is blue. It's black and red here. I use red as red and blue as black. So if you look on the board here, it is labeled F3 and F4 for your convenience. All right, so we're tightening the last screw here. As you can see, I got them all tight, ready to go. We're going to go ahead and pop this back on the wall here. And we're ready to apply power to the circuit. I'm going to go ahead and select English, and it's going to start scanning for an indoor unit. Now that our controller is up and ready, you can utilize it to control your indoor unit. For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.